Namaste everyone. In my previous videos of number system, we have already discussed that what is rational number, what is irrational number, and both rational and irrational number forms nothing but real numbers. Now, we know how to plot irrational numbers on number line. We have discussed how to identify a irrational number. Like if there I have a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, then it is irrational number. And in other way, we also discuss that all the roots, square roots of all non-perfect square numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, all of them are irrational numbers. Right? Is root 4 irrational number? No, because root 4 is nothing but 2 and 2 is a rational number. Root 9 is a rational number? No, because root 9 is nothing but 3 and 3 is a irrational number. Now root 8 is also irrational only. So 1 plus root 2, what kind of number is this? This is also rational, it is also irrational number. If I'm adding one rational and one irrational number, then also it is irrational number. Proof for this we have done in 10th grade. Right now you just understand, just remember the concept. If I'm subtracting 1 minus root 2, then also it is irrational number. If I'm multiplying one rational and one irrational, like 2 in root 2 into root 3, which I can write as 2 root 3. These two are same thing. So this is also nothing but irrational number. Now how to add irrational numbers? Suppose I have to add root 2. Please understand the difference. This is the most common thing where students get confused. So now root 2 plus root 2. All of us has know how to add x plus x. Earlier, initially in 6th and 7th grade, even this was a challenge. How I explained it there, if you're adding plus 1 apple, it is nothing but 2 apple. Same way x plus 1x, if I'm not writing any coefficient in front of us, it is nothing but 1x. So 1x plus 1x, if I'm adding, it is nothing but 2x. Same way, just consider root 2 as x or apple. Root 2, if I'm writing no coefficient, it is 1 root 2. 1 root 2. 1 root 2 and 1 root 2 is nothing but 2 root 2. Same way, if I'm adding 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. It is 2 apple plus 3 apple, 5 apple. So my root 2 is nothing but apple over here. So this is 5 root 2. Now here I was adding root 2 with root 2, so I was able to add it. What about this? If I'm adding root 2 plus root 3. If I am having one apple plus one orange, will I add them? No, I will simply leave it like that only. One apple, I will leave it like that only. I won't add, I will keep it separate. One apple plus one orange. Or if I have one x plus one y, can I add it? No, I can't add it. I will leave it as it is. So I can't add it, I will leave it as it is only. This is nothing but root 2 plus 3 only. Simplified, this is a simplified form. I can't add it further. Now what if I have numbers like this? I have two numbers like 2 root 2 plus 1 root 3. I'm writing right now 1 root 3, though you won't find it written as 1 root 3, you will find only 1 root 3. Since here students get confused, initially I write 1 over here. If it is just root 3, you can write it as 1 root 3. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Now here, as I add all the like terms, I will add that only. 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2 is nothing but 5 root 2. And 1 root 3 plus 5 root 3 is nothing but 6 root 3. And this is my simplified form. I can't add it further. Okay. Now how to multiply it? Multiplication happens